Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to send money from Western Union to Bangladesh. Okay, this is easy. We're gonna to find Western Union in our browser, and we're gonna click the first the first page uh, right here. Once we do that, we're gonna uh, create an account, clicking this button, or if you want to see uh, how you can send money directly, you can click this button right here. Okay, the page will show this panel right here, and then we're gonna find the country that we need to send money. In this case, we're gonna send money to Bangladesh. We're gonna click this country, and then right here we're gonna type the amount to send to this country, and right here we're gonna see uh, the amount of what they will receive in their country. Okay, and then we're gonna choose right here how to send the money to the person in that country. In this case, uh, we're gonna use um, the bank account option right here, and in this section is how will we pay, and right here we're gonna click debit card option, and then we're gonna click and continue. And next to this, we're gonna fill the the information that they ask for us. Then we're gonna send the money. Okay, it is easy as you can see. Well, if if this if this video was helpful, please comment and subscribe.